Hello and welcome to the Harriet Miller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. So today we're doing one of my favourite characters, which is Bob the Minion. And it's going to be just a really simple drawing, just for fun. It's going to look a little bit like this. So get yourself some paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, a black pen, and something to colour Bob in. So I'm just using some colouring pencils. I've got some yellows and some blues and some blacks and some browns. That's all that you're going to need. So let's get started. So to start off, we're just going to do a rough rectangle. So very lightly in pencil. Just draw a rectangle like that in the centre of your page. And that's going to help us draw Bob's shape. So we're going to make it a little bit more round. Again, just lightly in pencil. This doesn't have to be perfect. This is just our preparatory part. And then bring it round the bottom as well. There we go. I'm going to cut it in half. Don't have to use a ruler, just do a rough guess like that, and then cut this one in half as well. Same applies. If you want to use a ruler, please go ahead, but no need. Okay, so now we're just going to draw two large rough circles in the top quarters. One there. And one there. If you want to draw around something, then please feel free to do so. Okay, so Bob's little smiley face is going to be here. And then we're just going to draw his dungarees in. So just a little bit lower. Draw a line across, one line down, round, and the same on the other side. Down and round. And then we're just going to draw a line going across there and another one over here. This is all very rough, so please don't worry if you don't get it right. So we're just going to draw some stick arms. So coming out from this horizontal line, just draw a line coming around, just draw a big circle at the end. We're going to do the hands in detail in a second, but this is just so that you know where to put them. And the same on the other side. Draw a stick coming around. Okay, so now for the little legs. He's got very small, short legs. One like that, and one like that. And then we're just going to sketch in the shoes. One like so, and one like so. Okay, so Bob's usually carrying his teddy. So let's do the teddy's head. So here's the teddy's head. I'm just going to rub out what's behind it so that you can see a little bit more clearly. There we go. There we go. Get a better picture now. And Teddy's got some ears. That's one ear, another ear, eyes, a little nose, and a little mouth. Okay, so let's just draw Teddy's arms, which is just a circle here, and another circle here. Again, I'm just going to rub out a little bit so that you can see this better. And then Teddy's going to have two little legs just poking out from below. Okay, next we're just going to draw the dungaree straps. So one strap coming out here and going in here. And then the same on the other side. Strap going up here and coming round. So he's starting to take shape. Now we're just going to draw the arms properly. So I'm going to rub out this line becoming a bit of a mess now. And this hand, and I'm going to do this properly. So the arm comes out round the side to about there, and then the same on this one, and then he's got little gloves on, so you start the gloves there, and then you can see a couple of his big chunky fingers. Just like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So erase that preparatory line, and then we're going to start with one of his big chunky fingers, another one there, and then the glove, and then his arm. Alright, I'm going to start the next section in black pen. Now you please carry on in pencil. If you want to join me in black pen, then that's great. So we're going to be doing a bit more of the detail. So starting off with the glasses, I'm going to do 2 round circles but meeting in the middle. So just here they're going to meet. So 1, just like that, and then 2. Okay, so we're going to draw the backs of the glasses, then it's strapped on there, and the same on the other side. Remember to keep them the same height. Just like that. Okay, next we're going to do the dungarees. So there's one strap here, a nice big button, and we're going to do the same on the other side. There we go. You can't see the button because it's hidden by the bear. Next part, we're going to be doing the bottom of the dungarees, so just bring it round. So there's a little pocket. And the same on the other side. And then this part. And then the dungarees come all the way down. We're just going to draw just one line across like that. We're going to do this side now. So coming across, come all the way down. There we go. All right, so we're going to draw the bottom of the dungarees, come up, and the same on this side. Perfect, so now we're going to do the actual shape of Bob. So let's do the arms first. So one arm coming around here, one arm coming around there, one coming around here, and one going up like so. There, a little bit of body there, a little bit of body there. This bit coming up, and the same on this side, coming up. And now for the head. All the way across. Excellent. Okay, so I've quickly erased some of the preparatory lines just so that we can get a clearer image. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a circle inside here. So keeping the same distance all the way from the rim. Just draw a circle like so. Okay, and the same on the other side. Make sure it's the same size. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the teddy bear. So just drawing some little kind of furry lines, just like this. It'll distinguish the teddy bear from Bob. There we go. And furry ear, eyes, and they kind of just got little sewed eyes on, and then a little nose, just like that. Some furry hands, and the same on this side. Can't remember what his teddy's called. Does anybody know? If you do, pop it in the comment section below, because I've forgotten. And then the other leg coming around like this. Okay, let's draw Bob's hands. Just like that. His other glove. Just like so. Now for the shoes. So one line going like that, one going up, and one coming down. Just like that. And the same on the other side. Going round. There we go. Okay, don't forget his smile. He's got a nice big smile. And the top of his dungarees. There we go. And then now for his eyes. So they're quite close together. So if you draw one here, and then one here, and then if you just draw the pupil like a half moon like that, and the same on the other side. Then just make the iris a little bit darker. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow on the inside of the glasses. There we go, a little bit more on this side I think. And a little bit of shadow underneath the glasses as well. So it looks a little bit more 3D. Okay, I'm just going to draw lots of little lines coming out from the pupil. There we go. And I'm going to rub out all the pencil lines, and then we can start colouring in. So there's our finished Bob drawing. If you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like, and if you've got any suggestions of tutorials that you'd like, please pop them in the comment section below. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.